Engineered Aesthetics Plastic Surgery Institute was started to address the comprehensive field of plastic surgical needs in this community, particularly cosmetic surgery, reconstructive surgery, and hand surgery. I wanted to break the practice up into three parts as a comprehensive center to address all plastic surgical issues. We deal with cosmetic patients, reconstructive patients, and hand surgical patients. When it comes to cosmetic surgery, my focus is to deal with the face, the breast, and the body. Being a plastic surgeon has so many components to it. Not only am I taking care of patients from an anatomical or a surgical standpoint, I'm also catering to their emotional needs. There's so much that goes into how a patient perceives themselves. You see, when you have somebody that can't look at themselves in the mirror and they feel like their self-confidence is beat down, they're not going to be able to go out into society and be productive because that's always sitting there. That's always part of their life. And to be able to help them improve that is something that's valuable, and it's a privilege. And I have that privilege. I've worked hard for that privilege, but now that I have it, I value it more than anything. Taking care of patients is the greatest thing that I think I'll ever be able to accomplish in my life. And I don't take it lightly. I love infusing passion, not only into the work that I do, but into my patients so that we work as a team to accomplish whatever goal it may be. And this goes across the entire scope of my practice, whether it be cosmetic, whether it be a rhinoplasty. If a patient needs a rhinoplasty or a nose job because they have breathing problems, or because they may have some alteration in that just doesn't fit their face, I can restore that, and I can give them the opportunity to look at themselves in the mirror and feel better about themselves and be able to take pride in going out into society and interacting with people. And that's a fascinating component of plastic surgery. The most fulfilling thing for me is seeing beauty in the world and sharing that beauty with other people. And when it comes to plastic surgery, that beauty doesn't necessarily have to be a physical experience. It's a global experience. It's the patient experience. So when a patient comes to me and they want a change in their life, I enjoy correcting that, but it's the outcome that's most important to me. How it impacts their life, a development of self-love that they may not have had before. That, for me, is probably the most fulfilling aspect of my job. That perpetual positivity is what I consider beauty. And I think that's part of human nature, is to be able to contribute to each other's journey. And that beauty is the most important thing for me when it comes to plastic surgery, is being able to convey that and share in that and be a part of that in somebody else's life. Moving forward, I'm excited to create a beautiful, lifelong experience for my patients and this community at Engineered Aesthetics Plastic Surgery Institute.